Hey guys, today I would like to show you HoloLens Room Scanner as working on HoloLens 2. This is a long time coming,
Room Scanner.
and I'm not going to show you the scan room feature because it will require the use of a camera and it's difficult to record at the same time. However, I will show you something even better. Let me just quickly log in here. After you log in, you can basically go to the download menu. In this menu, you can download other people's rooms as long as they have shared it. In this case, I already downloaded it, so I don't need to do it again. But if you do, just click the download button here after you enter the required information, and you will start a download. I'll leave more information in the video description.
HoloLens Room Scanner Hallway of Doors.
Here, visiting this infinite hallway a year later is actually super cool. I pre-downloaded these rooms just for this video, but you can see I actually got more than 10 of them. Most of them are my own, but I did also have two special ones that I can show you guys. But first, let me show you what it looks like. So I have this host room 0 here.
Loading meshes. Loading frames. Processing. HoloLens Room.
Okay,
HoloLens Room Scanner
it's
host
fully
underscore
loaded
room
now.
0.
Now, do you want to see what it looks like? Now, there is a voice command that we should be using. Look, this is my real room. Just 1 second. The voice command is reposition at door. Reposition at door. All right. This is the room I am actually standing in, except this virtual version of the room was recorded about 3 years ago. Okay? So the objects arrangement are slightly different, but the bookshelves are almost perfectly aligned with where they actually are. Okay? The way I arranged the mat on the floor is a bit different, but man, I can't believe it. You know, I can actually revisit this place, and you can even invite someone else to revisit this place with you. All right? So now, next, I'm gonna walk back into this virtual hallway, and we're gonna try some other room. All right? Now, in case you ever get lost, you can always do one of the two things. One is force door shut. Force door shut. This will close the room out, and then the other voice command is reset origin. Reset origin. So this will make sure you always end up back in the hallway. Okay. Now, next voice command I'm going to use is enable teleport, especially if you have a bigger room. Enable teleport. Enable teleport. Okay, there you go. So now you can actually teleport in this hallway as well. Why don't we try this? The default room. This is, wait for it. This is the Holo Hair office. Look at that. I'm just gonna walk into it right now, and look at that signature logo, Holo Hair. Okay, this was recorded, wow, all the way back in the fall of 2017 when the Room Scanner app is first launched. And can you believe it? It's so clear. Even now, you can see the green screen. You can see there's somebody sitting over there. You can see their whole office. Even though the office might have been shut down since then, you can revisit this place with your friends. I still remember Eric from Hello Herod and Austin. Yeah, I had a virtual meeting with them in this very room. Wow, okay, so that's a treat. If you are not feeling nostalgic like me, then we can go another place and see if you like that room better. So this is the most special room, I would say, because this relates very much to the Holo Academy. This is the Holo Academy room, the original one that's on Microsoft campus. And I recorded this room during my visit to Redmond back in 2018. So for the sake of demonstration, let me just stand here. Reposition at door. Reposition at door. Okay, this is the door, which is my physical door, but here is, after we walk in, you can see the whole space, okay, the whole space. And I can teleport around just to see different parts, you know. On top of each table, I think there's the Holo Academy logo, and there you go. That's the classic air tap gesture with a Windows logo on the projector, right? Of course, you know this is Microsoft. I actually remember presenting on this very stage with Jesse and other people like Sean and James. I remember, wow, it's been so long. Well, this room is also available for you to download and try on HoloLens RoomScanner if you ever want to. And you can actually invite a friend over to join you in the conversation as well. So, you know, if you ever want to, just feel free. I'll leave the details in the video description, and let me know what you think. Let me see what else I can do.